So here we are in Chapter 2 of the Rubik's Cube walkthrough. This video will cover the middle layer of the Rubik's Cube. So back in Chapter 1, I covered how to solve the top side already. So what you need to do from here is flip it over so your solved side is down, and whatever side you have solved, that has to be pointing down in order to pull this off successfully. So, let me angle down here. You're going to have to look for one of these 4 middle pieces, for one that does not contain green in it, like this one right here. Rotate this so this white is right here, and we're going to need to use one of 2 algorithms. Basically the same algorithm, except going the opposite direction of each other. So this, I know, has to go to the left because of whatever is on the top matches what is on the left here. So red goes with red. So here you go. Up inverted, left inverted. Up, left. Up, front. Up inverted, front inverted. And not only do you have that in place, but you didn't mess any of that up. Here's another piece right here that actually already swung into place. It was originally, I believe, right here. Or, I'm sorry. It was, hang on, right here. So it was over here. So now it moved here. So we're going to move this over into here. So that algorithm is up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And there you have that. So here's another example. So I'm going to do the exact same algorithm. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Bam. Now, if you come to a case where you do not have any yellow or any pieces in the top layer without green in them, or all your pieces have green, I'm only using this as an example. I'm going to take this right out as soon as I'm done. So, use this algorithm. I taught you this earlier. Up, right. Up inverted, right inverted. Up inverted, front inverted, up, front. So that was just a demonstration. So now I'll rewind that, and then we'll put this in. Up, right. Up inverted, right inverted. Up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And there you have that. So once you're at this point, you will have not 1, but 2 layers correctly solved. That concludes Chapter 2.